This guide will help you calibrate your Valorant installation loop effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Before starting the calibration, update your graphics drivers to the latest version. This can help improve performance and resolve any compatibility issues. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the Riot client and navigate to the Valorant section. Use the option to verify the integrity of game files to ensure that all necessary files are correctly installed and not corrupted. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Valorant and go to the Settings menu. Adjust the graphics settings according to your hardware capabilities to optimize performance. Low settings can help reduce lag and improve frame rates. Step 5. Restart and test. After making the necessary adjustments, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. Play a few matches to test if the calibration has resolved any installation loop issues. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your Valorant installation loop successfully. Enjoy your gaming!